Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different than my other videos. I wanted to change it up a little bit. I am doing mostly cleaning and organizing in my videos, some DIYs and mommy things, but mommy likes to get dressed too. So I decided to do a fashion video. I will be reviewing clothes from a company called Fashom. If you don't know what Fashom is, it is actually an online styling service. I'm sure many of you are familiar with Stitch Fix and other online styling services. I have never tried any of them, so I am very excited right now to try Fashom. I usually buy my clothes myself. I really like to go shopping. I like bargains, but I am a busy mom. So as a busy mom, I really like idea of picking things online and having them delivered to your door, and also trying them out in comfort of your home. I mean, I'm sure many of you can agree with me that there's nothing better than that too. This video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for this, but Fashom was nice enough to send me a credit. So if there's some pieces over here that I like, I'm gonna be able to keep them. Fashom is a little bit different from other online styling services because it doesn't have a subscription. So you basically go on demand. I also want to mention that your first styling fee is free, and going onwards it will be $15, which would be applied to your account if you decide to keep some of the pieces. If you do not keep any of them, then those $15 will be applied to your account. The whole process was pretty simple. Basically, you go on their app or you go on their website and you fill out the personal info. You also fill out some questionnaire like your sizes, your styling preferences, your also price range that you would like to stay between, and then you send the styling request. A few days after, literally for me it was a couple of hours after, I heard from my stylist and they offer you 7 different options that you have to look through, and within 48 hours you need to pick 5 of those. But if you're not satisfied with any of those, or if they're not your style really, like for me personally, I liked only 2 pieces out of those 7, so I asked for some additional pieces. The good thing is that you can actually send them some either pictures from Instagram, or like I did, I sent them a link to my Pinterest board to show them closely what kind of style I like and what kind of pieces I would like to see. So when I did that, the next time they picked out some pieces for me, they were perfect. I literally liked all of them. So you pick 5 of those, they're going to be sent to you, and then after you receive your box, you have 3 days to either keep all of them and then your account will be charged, or you can return them. You will get in the box the envelope for free return. So the shipping is free and the return is free, which is amazing. So there's one more thing that I wanted to mention, and researching about other online styling services, I've noticed that this is way better. So if you decide to pick 3 or 4 items that they sent you, you will receive 25% discount. And if you decide to keep all of them, all 5 pieces, you will get 30% discount. That is amazing. I think that saves a lot and you can't pass. There's one thing I wanted to mention, and I think it's great. Fashom is actually all about body positivity, and they style all shapes and all sizes. Another thing is that for every box that they send out, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue Dogs NYC. And I think it's very great. That shows how much they care and how much they love to do things for others. Okay, I have my Fashom box over here. I did not open it. I cannot believe that I didn't open it. I wanted to have a first impression in front of the camera, so let's get started. It comes in this beautiful purple box, and there is a hashtag over here that says BeterAsIAm. I love that. Okay, so let's open it. So when you first open the box, there is a letter. It says hello beautiful. I think that's pretty. And then that is actually an invoice. And then over here you also get a little card that says better as I am, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. I really like that. And then it tells you what's next. It says try before you buy and purchase your favorites. And then not quite a fit, enjoy free returns and exchanges. And also it tells you about the savings. It says save big on spending while you save rescue dogs. You have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. For each Fashom box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. I love it. I think that's great. Now, before I forget, I wanted to tell you that I will have a link in the description box down below with the referral code. If you order anything from Fashom, you will have $10 off your first box, and also I will get a $10 off credit for my next box from Fashom. Okay, the next thing is little bag return envelope with a label. Okay, and this is my thing. I'm so excited. Okay, the first item is this shirt top. I really like the color. I like the style of it. I don't really have anything with sleeves like this, but I do like off-shoulder thing that's going on over here. I like that, and I like that it's loose, and I like the knot over here. This I'm gonna show you over here how it looked like on the website and how much did it cost. The next one is this little tank top. It is in a size small, I believe. It doesn't say, but it looks like a little bit too loose. We'll see when I try it on. But I like the pattern, I like the fabric, it is so light. We'll see how it fits. Next thing is this shirt. So it's very simple from on the top, and then on the on the front, and on the back it has this beautiful open back and kind of like a crisscross thing going on, and it's loose, and I like these kind of things. The next thing, oh, this is so soft. Okay, this is like a hoodie. So soft. It has pockets over here. Okay, we'll see how that is gonna look like. And the thing that I was most excited about are jeans. Look at these jeans. Look at these details on them. It has these details on the back. And then also it has frayed bottoms, and then also it has a zipper over here. So I'm excited to try them on. I really hope they fit me because I like them. Okay, let's go and try all of this out. Okay, this is the first t-shirt. It is the one with the open back. I really liked this t-shirt. It is simple one from the front, and this detail on the back gives it something extra. It is very comfortable, and I really liked the fit on me. Onto the jeans. I am very impressed. I like the way they fit. I think they are my size exactly. They're stretchy, which I like. I like all the details on them, and I really think they fit great. The only thing, you can see a little bit around my waist, they are looser, but honestly I have that problem with any jeans that I buy. I always have to wear a belt, or I have to take it in a little bit with a sewing machine. The next thing is this peach colored striped top. I like the fabric. I like the fact that it can go off shoulders. I really like those type of tops. Now it is a little bit loose on me, so that's what I don't like. I like the knot on the front, and also there's elastic around the top, so every time I lift my hands it kind of goes up. That's the part that I really didn't like. I wish it was just like a loose so it can fall off of my shoulder. Next is this spaghetti strapped top. First I thought it's gonna be way too big when I opened it out of the box, but now I think it fits perfectly. I am in love with this top. I love everything, how it fits me. I like the fabric, I like the color pattern. I'm just impressed. So this is definitely the one that I'm gonna keep. And the last thing to try on is this top, this hoodie. I really like the fabric. It is so soft, it was so comfortable. I liked how it fits on me. The color is beautiful, and I will definitely keep this one, and I'm sure I'm gonna wear it pretty much all the time. Okay, that is for today's video. I am gonna try all this one more time. I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna send back, if I'm gonna send something back. I know for sure that I like these jeans. I like the gray shirt. I love this shirt, and I like the one with the spaghetti straps. I really like the one with the straps with off shoulders, but it seems like a little bit too big for me. But I'm gonna make a final selection, and then I will see what I'm gonna return back. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Fashom. I'm sure you're gonna like it. The customer service is amazing. I forgot to say that. I got a response to my emails within hours, not days, within hours, and there was always someone to resolve any of my issues, any of my questions. So that is awesome. That is really good to know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box down below. There's also a referral code for the $10 off. And then if you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe if you like what you see. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.